Hi all, welcome to another video tutorial of Easy Way to Automation. And today we are going to see how can we add test steps to the Allure report. So this is part 3. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, I will recommend you to go and watch. So today we will see how can we add test steps to the Allure report. How can we add test steps to the Allure report? So let's go back to our project. So these are the two classes I am executing. One is perform right click and another one is verify links. So wherever we have given or we have written system.out.println, right? So there I will try to add test steps. Say for example, here actually we are trying to invoke our application under test. So I can write over here. After this, I'll just write here Allure dot step. Okay. And whatever I have written here, application under test has been invoked successfully. So I'll just write this statement. Okay. Similarly, here I am trying to fetch the page title and I'll write Allure dot step and I can give this statement. Okay. Here also I can write Allure dot step and I can just write right click successful, because here I am performing right click action and I can just write it over here, right click action successful, and here I will write right click action unsuccessful. Right. Okay. And here actually I am making one test case passed and here I am making one test case failed. Okay, so here I can simply write what suppose here actually I am doing assertion fail, right? So here I'll just write here Allure dot step. Okay, and here I'll just write here assertion fails, for example. Okay, fails. And I'm trying to skip this particular test case, test skip, and here I will write Allure dot step. The same statement I'll write this test case is not ready to be executed. This test case is not ready to be executed, hence skipped, hence skipped. Okay. So before exception we will just mention it. Okay. Obviously, because if it throws exception over here, it will not go to the next line. So before we throw exception, we have to provide this particular statement. Now let's go to the verify links.java class. So here also what I am doing, I am invoking application under test and I'm trying to find out the broken links. right? So here also I can write allure dot step, and I'll write the same statement application under test has been invoked successfully. So all these test steps will appear in our test execution report, right? So here I'll write allure dot step, and I'll just copy this statement. Here we are trying to fetch the page title, right? And after that, what we are doing, we are just trying to fetch the number of links and images on that particular page. So here also I can mention allure dot step, okay, and I'll give this statement total number of links and images, okay. And here I am just trying to fetch the number of active links and images. So I'll mention the same thing, allure dot step, and I will write this statement total number of active links and images, okay. So after that I am trying to do HTTP URL connection, okay. So and I am just getting the response code, okay. So if the response code is 200, then we will get to know that particular link is working as expected. So here what I am doing here is I am just fetching the response code, okay, and here I am trying to show like what is the test URL, what is the link text, okay, and what is the response message we are getting, okay. And if we are getting any other response code except 200, here I am just trying to show the test URL and link text. So what response message we are getting it. So here also I'll mention the same thing, allure dot step. I just have to copy and paste this statement. I will also copy this statement and paste it over here, right? So now we are done, okay. So let's run these two classes, okay, from testng.xml file, and we will see the report after the execution. So I'll run this testng.xml file. It is going to execute the 4 test cases one by one. One of the test cases fails, one of the test cases skips, and this is the test case where actually we are trying to perform right click. And the last one is where we are verifying the links and we are trying to find out the broken links. So now the test execution is over and we can launch our Allure report. So let's go to the root project folder. This is my root project folder. I will try to open command prompt and I will give this command allure -serve allure -results. So here I have to give this command allure space serve space, and this is the folder where actually our JSON files are present. So let's run this. As I said before, it is going to start Tomcat server and it is going to generate your HTML report. Okay, so let's go to our test suite. I'll expand this. So if you see, let's go to verify links. So if you see the test body section, so whatever test steps we had mentioned in our test script, everything has come up. Okay, application under test has been launched successfully, and this is the page title and the total number of links and images 24. Total number of active links and images are 16, right? And here we have got the response message of each and every link. So if I go to this right click functionality also, so here also we have got the test steps, whatever we had mentioned in our test script. Okay, so here I had given this statement that this test case is not ready to be executed, hence skipped. Okay. So in the test fail, actually we had to mention before that checkpoint. So if I go to this perform right click, right? So we had to write this statement before this, then only we will get it. Okay, that's fine. So this is how actually we can add test steps to the Allure report. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching this.